Hi there, my name is Stephen Hewer. I'm a degreed nutritionist called a Nutripath. And I'd like to introduce you today to a way to support the healing of your teeth, as in the enamel, as in cavities, and your gums. This product that you're seeing is called Oral Tide Pro, and it is a unique oral mouthwash rinse that you hold in the mouth for 10 to 15 minutes and swish it around during that time. It contains dental remineralization peptide, amorphous calcium phosphate, and anti-gingival degenerate peptide, which simply means there's two peptides in it. That one that promotes the repair of your enamel and your teeth, one that provides the mineral needed for that remineralization to take place of your enamel, and one that helps, a peptide that actually helps rebuild the gums. So as it says here on the bullet points, promotes growth of shrinking gums, speeds healing of mouth and tongue, prevents oral infections such as gingivitis, helps with enamel remineralization, reduces bacteria growth and etching, fills slots in damaged enamel. So here you see an amazing study of someone's alveolar bone, jawbone area, growing back after 36 weeks. So this is the use of the anti-gingival dental peptide. So these are X-ray pictures, radiographic pictures, and you can see here, down here it shows you clearly the loss of the alveolar bone, and that whole space between A and B lines and arrows indicates the loss. After 36 weeks of the Oral Tide Pro peptide formula, it grew back 100%. So that's pretty amazing. That means you can grow back teeth, portions of teeth, or heal cavities. When it comes to healing cavities, you have to stop the infection usually first. And the way that I've learned about how to do that is with ozone. So you can actually buy ozone equipment. Promo Life is the company that I work with or recommend, Promo Life. And they sell ozone equipment, and they've got the appropriate tubing and blunt needle that conveys the ozone from the machine to your cavity, and you would hold it right on the cavity. It basically kill the infection, and then using a product like this would then enable or promote the potential healing completely of a cavity. So here's a description of Oral Tide Pro. The high concentration of edible dental recession peptide and anti-gingival dental peptide simultaneously repair damaged enamel, treat gingival recession and anti-inflammatory effect, and add 5% xylitol, which is an antibacterial effect. The overall effect is doubled and comprehensive while relieving sensitive teeth. The products are made of whole food grade raw materials, no addition of alcohol, fluoride, anti-sensitive potassium nitrate, or strontium chloride, or bactericides. Is a comprehensive dental care product. Protection. Increased dentin tubules. Okay, dentin tubules are the teeth microtubules. That's pretty amazing because that's the actual circulatory system of both nutrients that come from the inside of your jawbone. So the circulatory supply where blood and I think it's called gingival fluid actually is supposed to osmotically or through the pumping action of the lymphatics and the blood supply push nutrients into the teeth through the microtubules. So if you have a good microtubule network, little microscopic caves, then nutrients will get and feed your teeth and keep them healthy and young the rest of your life. You won't lose them ever. So protection of dentin. Increase dentinal tubules. Anti-hypersensitivity using this DRP calcium complex and AGDP. Refill microaperture calcium ion deposits on the damaged enamel to remineralize, fill the slot, reduces bacterial growth and prevent etching. Repairs periodontal connective tissue, promoting collagen and extracellular matrix synthesis, activating growth factors to accelerate the mouth-tongue wound healing. Repairs gingival recession, promote the growth of shrinking gums, relieve symptoms of inflammation of the gums, overall oral health improvement, repair damaged enamel, anti-hypersensitivity, strong and healthy gums, reduce the rate of growth of bacteria, solve periodontal problems from the root cause. So this is an amazing product. I'd like you to hear Andrea's testimony right now because She lives with me. She's my dear friend, and she's had a pain from a cavity in between her teeth that's healing using this product. Okay, here's Andrea's testimony. Okay, Andrea, you were just sharing with me that you've had a cavity and some pain in your teeth, and that you've been using the product we carry called Oral Tide. And how long have you been on the Oral Tide, and what results have you had?
Okay, so, well, first, let me tell you that I had a cavity in between my teeth, and so every time I would floss, it was extremely painful. And then I was so sensitive to both hot and cold, but especially cold. Like, I couldn't even chew on that side, and you know how if I took something cold in, I'd have to warm it up on the right side of my mouth. It was like really a hassle. And so I got on the Oral Tide, and I really only took it mostly once a day, and you're supposed to do it twice. So I think it would have healed faster. But it probably took like a good 3 months of doing it before it was probably reduced by about 50%, both the pain and the sensitivity to the cold. And now it's been 6 months. And when I floss in between those teeth, it doesn't hurt at all. And it hurt before every time, right? So that's gone.
Yeah, and the sensitivity to hot and cold, is that gone?
I'd say that's about 75% gone. But the stress of having to warm food up in my mouth before I chewed it, if I drank something cold, like every once in a while, I'll feel like, and it's not even like it was, like before it was a jolting pain.
Wow.
But I don't really notice it, the sensitivity to cold.
Okay.
So it's healed a ton, and like I said, I'm not even doing it twice a day.
Okay. Excellent. Thanks for sharing that. Okay.
Yeah, it's an amazing product, and I've recommended it. I recommended it to Carly.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Okay, there you have it. This is an amazing product for anyone that wants to support the healing of their enamel, their teeth, their dentin, their gums, and cavities. We're now in the 21st century, and that's possible with Oral Tide Pro. As you can see here, we offer it on our website. I'd appreciate your support of my work by buying it on my website. And if you have any questions or want to know other ways to support your health, that's what I'm here for. I can help you with a wide variety of health challenges. Blessings. Thanks for your attention.